have you ever experienced a situation where your education or background gave you an unfair advantage?
Wala man.
So far daw wala gid nga daw di patas daw pa di jay ka equal gid sa iya kung may pinpok na ka-eskwela ka.
As far as my experience is concerned, I did not find it difficult for me in terms of education because I have availed of scholarship grants. It seems that I did not stop schooling from the time I was in college up to the time when I also had my master's degree schooling. It was very consistent because of the grants that I have availed.
Yes, as a person who has a relatively freer life, because of my economic status, education has been very much easy for me to grasp, to take advantage of. There are contests, when there are trainings, there are gatherings. I'm the first one, or one of the first students to be tapped. That's because of my unfair advantage, being someone who is already known. For students who need them the most, they are not given that much of an attention. I have a privilege, basically.
I think mayroon ako experience because ang the mindset bala of people nga do mas ginaano nila ang like if educated ka nga kasi tawo do ang ilang nga pag-view or pag-perceive simo do ka taas bala compared than those nga hindi bala mayo educated or wala bala nakatapos pag school. So I think with that bala nga thought bala is somewhat wrong because it doesn't mean nga educated ka nami ka na blangas kasi tawo or it at times gani those people who are not able man bala ka maka-eskwela is those people man bala nga good people man bala like nami manila nga mga values in life compared to those nga educated.
Ang advantage naman is because nagaling ko sa private school, so mas advanced ang amon nga learning system kag may mga advanced mga facilities kag equipments which naka-help sa amon para magtuon kag para makapasar kami sa entrance exam.
Mas prefer yan sa college graduate ka. Whereas college graduate, mas pili kung yan mag-apply ka. Katapos sa school, mas advantage kung graduate ka. Sa imo nga pananaw, ang imo bala nga edukasyon naghatag sa mga benepisyo nga wala ang iban.
I think my education was a privilege, and at the same time it gave me more opportunities compared to other people because of the support of my aunt who was also a teacher. So in short, even if it was just my first year of teaching, she had encouraged me to pursue my master's degree because she believed that pursuing your masters before you get married is more of an advantage because by the time you will be married to already, your priority will be on your future family. So I think the people behind me was responsible for my pursuance of higher education.
I think ang education ko has given me advantage man bala nga wala sa iban kay syempre ang pag-view bala ka mga tao ay naka-eskwela na sa college level na sayo tapos ang iban yung pag-view nila ay wala man na sayo na eskwelahan like ang concept because like the way bala we view people is focus na lang on their educational attainment bala how. Pero I think if educated ka, the way people bala nga lang tawag kanila do may much more bala ang respect nga makuha mo rather than those bala nga people nga who are not educated bala or wala bala naka-eskwela rin.
Advantage lang kung naka-eskwela ka. May bintaha man niya ka sa wala nakatapos sa eskwela. Iti pag-abot sa time nga mita obra, lang hindi mo nakatapos ka eskwela. Hindi maka-obra agad yan. Sabi bintaha sa tama ang nakatapos sa eskwela.
Siyempre, nasa panahon ngayon, kailangan sa labas is diploma.
because I joined campus journalism, I know how to write, I know how to communicate, I know the best strategy in order to market ideas, market things. The essence of a globalized education, quote unquote, is for us to be flexible, for our employment to be flexible, and for us to be able to work in other countries, not necessarily serving our people, our economy, our country.
So since nagalit ko sa private school, I think ang mga advantages pag niya nakabulag sa akin is ang mga lessons niya. I think anang wala siguro na offer sa ibang mga schools, kay amo na siyang makabulig para mas maka-learn ka mayo, kag amo na siya sa mga kinanglan mo good are necessary when mag-college ka na.
Sa imo, ano ang dapat himuon para masiguro nga ang tanan biskan ano pang ilak kahimtangan may pareho nga oportunidad sa edukasyon.
Pati as parents, kinanglan nga tunuan tama pa eskwela ang kabataan kay para sa future nila, hindi naman ay para sa akon, sa amon mama niya, sa ilan niya mo.
Samahan mo ng diskarte.
Since we are in the state university, should a student be given the opportunity to study here, it is best that you have to grab whatever it is that is in your hand right now or on your hand right now, because there are some students who were privileged enough to get into the university but they did not take advantage of it. After a while, they dropped from schooling. So no matter how difficult life can be, there can also be other ways to compensate whatever little that your family has. So it doesn't mean that when you belong to the poor or below average family, you could not find any ways to study anymore. Dapat you have to really find ways na maka-work ka as a working student, or maybe here in Kamsu, you can also apply for student assistance so that in your vacant time you can have the opportunity to earn something rather than just waiting for the money coming from your parents. So it's a matter of decision whether to pursue your college degree or not.
Pagina, in our lesson in ETIAP, it was discussed that the highest budget media in our government is with education, which is very weird because not everyone in the Philippines wala naka-access maka-access wala sa education. It should be start with us na as Filipino on the way we choose our leaders bala and nga ma-sit sa government, and of course araman sa government on how bala they exercise their power bala how. I think they should focus man sa betterment sang every Filipinos rather than sa pangwarta.
We must make our education accessible, free, and quality. Let's begin with the premise that education is a right. We should not view education as a privilege. We must also make our education free, basically. Our education right now is currently commercialized. It's geared towards benefiting businesses, and it's a business venture in itself. This is all in the effort to make our schools profitable. So we must change our education from being profit-oriented to being development-oriented, to a nationalist, scientific, and a mass-oriented education.
I think ang hindi pa i-prioritize ang pag-funding or sa budget sa mga public and state universities so that may access sa mga students sa quality education, kag mas i-prioritize pagit nga mas damo ang teachers nga matudlo sila.
Determination kapag makatapos para makahilapos sila mas advantage kung marami katapos sa